Loosening up?
Yeah.
Good. Chin down. Good, relax. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
All right, let's get that hip flexor open. Good. That pressure okay?
Yep.
Good. Not as bad as the first time we started.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Drop down. How was that?
Good.
Good. All right, drop it right down. Good. Grab that here. Perfect. Was that amazing?
Felt amazing.